So you want to make some easy money, right? Let me show you how. This is one way you can make some easy money. And yes, I will profit from it too, but you can too. And it's almost no work included. So let me explain. My business is creating and managing communities for athletes and experts around the world who have an already built personal brand with at least 50,000 followers. So if you know anybody out there, you have in your network, you know that they create content and you have their contact, make a three-way introduction via email. You can use my normal email, benjamin.flueck@gmail.com, and make a three-way introduction. Maybe just put me in the CC any way you like. And if you make this three-way introduction, you can earn 5% on their whole monthly recurring revenue they create with their paid online community, just for yourself. No limit included, no ceiling that is capping your earning potential from this. So with this opportunity, you can really get possibly to 10k, 20k, 30k per month in recurring revenue if you know the right people, and you can bring them to me to work with me. And if they sign up with me, they work with me, they make money with their paid online community, with me managing it, you will earn 5% of their whole monthly recurring revenue. I think that's pretty fair and it's a great opportunity, right? So just let's get into this. Make this really an exceptional product. Let's build the future of online education together. With that being said, keep building and make some money.